In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few helpful checks so your install goes smoothly and your schedule stays perfectly in sync. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the workspace where you actually manage your projects and timelines, because the integration will be most useful when it's available right where your team works. If your organization has different permission levels, confirm you have access to install apps. If not, you may need an admin to complete the install for you. Next, head to the Monday Marketplace. You can find it from the main navigation. Look for the Apps or Marketplace option. This is where all official and trusted integrations live, and it's the safest place to add functionality to your account. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Calendar. Keep your search simple to get the most relevant result. You should see the Google Calendar integration tile appear near the top. If there are several options, choose the one offered by the official provider and look for the familiar app details, screenshots, and recent updates. Click the Google Calendar result to open its dedicated page. Take a moment to review what the integration does and how it works. The overview usually explains whether the sync can be one-way or two-way, which columns it reads for dates, and any plan requirements. It's worth scanning the ratings, checking the changelog, and confirming compatibility with your current Monday.com plan. If you manage cross-regional teams, note any time zone considerations mentioned in the description so your event times line up correctly. When you're ready, click Install. Monday.com may ask where to install the app, at the account level or within a specific workspace, so pick the location that matches how your team collaborates. During installation, you'll be prompted to grant permissions. These are necessary so Monday.com can create and update calendar events on your behalf. If you see a message about limited permissions, reach out to your admin to enable app installs. After installation, you'll see on-screen prompts to finalize the setup, which typically includes connecting your Google account and choosing how the sync should behave. If you're unsure about the best settings, start simple and test with a small board to confirm dates, times, and privacy behave as expected before rolling it out to a larger team. That's it. You navigated to Monday.com, opened the Marketplace, searched for Google Calendar, reviewed the app page, and completed the install. With that done, you're ready to keep projects and schedules in lockstep. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.